This is How to Norway. My name is Katarina.
And I'm Dog. And look what I brought.
I have a stove set. Oh, I love cooking food outside.
Me too. I've actually never done it.
Using a stove set is a great hack if you want to prepare food outside in Norway. So first you just want to take everything apart, because in here there are loads of different components. So you can even make coffee on this one.
A handle.
Exactly, for the pan. The burner, pots and pans and stuff. We're not going to use those today.
Lots of parts.
Lots of parts. Because this is the part we want to construct. And then this fits on top. Ta-da!
Ah!
We want to put the burner through here, pull the last end of the burner through. This is what we're going to connect to the gas. Then we can put it all down onto the ground.
What gas?
This gas!
Oh, that one.
The stove set and gas like this you can buy in many different sports and hardware shops all around Norway.
Convenient.
So now we're going to connect the gas.
Do you trust me? I'll give it a try.
So you want to light the match, hold it here, and then you want to let out a little bit of gas. Gas is invisible, so you'll have no idea how much gas you've let out, and you can have a much bigger flame than what you expected.
True.
You always want the flame to come first, because then you can regulate the size of the flame.
That makes sense. All right, so match first, then gas.
Woo! Oh, you had very much gas on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There we go.
We can feel that it's warm, but we can't actually see the flame.
But what are we cooking even?
What do you think in this pan?
Pancake?
Yes! And pancake hack for when you're outside is to bring pancake batter in a little bottle.
That's clever.
Because then you can just spread it out in the pan. First we need
Butter.
When cooking on a stove set, you want to use a bit extra butter so things don't get burnt. We'll use little spatula. Yeah, good. So just rub it in.
Pancake is actually my favorite dish.
Really?
Yeah. For every birthday I've had pancakes for lunch.
Oh! Is this your first outdoor pancake?
It might just be, yeah.
This is starting to look like a proper pancake.
All right.
You flipping it?
No. When in nature you have to be really careful not to lose food, because you might starve and die. Oh, what?
TV. Yay! How are you eating this pancake?
In nature you have to improvise sometimes, Katarina.
While you enjoy your pancake, I can let you guys know that there are actually more ways of cooking outdoors. You don't just have to use my favorite method, which can be used most places outdoors. You can also make bonfires. There are many approved campfires that you can use all year round. What is super important is to be aware of the fire risks in dry periods and to check local guides. Don't light fires on very dry ground, bare mountains, and avoid open fire when it's windy. A great rule to remember is that you can normally light bonfires in the months with the letter R in it. So from September to April.
All the months with an R.
What can you do in those months?
Be careful of campfires.
Yeah, you always have to be careful. Yeah, but it's the opposite. That's when you can light them. And remember to turn off the gas. So that was pretty easy, right? Now you're ready to cook food outside. And you are as well. So leave a comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye!
Bye!